tonight's dinner. Leg quarters. They were seasoned leg quarters. If you watched the grocery haul, you saw them. And I went ahead and made all 3 packs, so there's probably about 10 or 12 in these dishes. And what I did was this barbecue sauce I put on top, and that's pretty much it. And I kind of forgot, so the sauce started to caramelize, but it's fine, it tastes fine. And then just some broccoli and some sweet cornbread muffins. And that is our simple dinner for Saturday, August 10th. Are you singing, Leah? So, pretty much the only thing maybe left is the chicken, which we'll probably be eating for lunch tomorrow. And then I think tomorrow we're just going to do baked potatoes with broccoli, chili and cheese, and some sour cream. So something simple.